Dear friends, have you ever noticed how some people leave your life and it hardly makes a difference while others disappear and suddenly everything feels incomplete? What makes some people truly unforgettable? Is it their presence or their absence? We often think that to be valued, we need to be seen, heard, and noticed. But in reality, the most impactful people don't chase attention. They create an imprint so deep that their absence speaks louder than their presence. So how do you make your absence truly felt? The first step is to be irreplaceable, not just useful. People don't miss those who are simply present. They miss those who bring something unique. Whether at work, in friendships, or relationships, don't just exist. Add value in a way that no one else can. Be the one whose skills, wisdom, and presence cannot be substituted. Next, focus on leaving a legacy, not just memories. People remember actions, not just words. Instead of trying to impress, inspire. Instead of seeking attention, create an impact. If your presence doesn't change anything, neither will your absence. One of the most powerful ways to make your absence felt is by mastering the art of withdrawal. When you are constantly available, people take you for granted. But when you step back, they begin to realize your worth. Distance creates awareness. It forces people to evaluate what you truly meant to them. If you feel unappreciated, stop trying so hard. Let your silence do the talking. The ones who are truly missed are those who give, not those who seek. Be a source of wisdom, positivity, and inspiration. When you bring real value into people's lives, they won't just notice your absence, they will feel it. And finally, silence speaks louder than words. There comes a point where you don't need to prove your worth. When you stop explaining, when you stop chasing, people start realizing your value on their own. That's the power of silence. Sometimes the loudest message is the one left unspoken. Dear friends, if you truly want your absence to be felt, then don't just be present, be impactful. Create a presence so strong that when you're not there, the world feels incomplete. Be someone who is not just seen but remembered, not just heard but felt. And if this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking content. Your support helps us continue bringing you inspiring insights. Stay powerful, stay impactful. See you in the next video.